السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our Prophet is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is born 570 AD. His father's name is Abdullah. His mother's name is Amina. He lost his father before he is born. His mother Amina died in his early boyhood. He married Bibi Khadija at the age of 25. From his childhood, he was truthful. For this reason, he was called Al-Amin. He is died at the age of 63.